In December 2024, I got this award for hitting 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. It didn't happen by luck. It came to reality because I took a bold decision to start creating content on YouTube. If I didn't take that step, I won't be here today sharing the story with you. YouTube is a gold mine, and if you treat it like a business, it can pay you like one. Over time, many of you have reached out to me asking, Dolapo, how do I start my own YouTube channel? Well, today is a lucky day because I'm going to show you step by step how you can start your own YouTube channel and start cashing out. Many of you may be thinking YouTube is oversaturated. Let me tell you this. YouTube is not oversaturated. It just needs you to show up uniquely. People are watching videos every day from their phones, in buses, in their homes or offices, even at midnight. There are audience everywhere. And you know what? YouTube pays in foreign currency. It's one of the only free platforms that can grow your brand or side hustle organically. If you're in Nigeria or anywhere in the world and you are sleeping on YouTube, you are leaving money on the table. YouTube is a real business. The time for you to start is right now. Just in case you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Dolapo. You're welcome to the channel. Here, I share videos on AI tools, social media monetization, and smart ways to grow on the internet. If this interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button. Please like this video for me so that the YouTube algorithm will know that you found value and also recommend it to other people. To my old subscribers, welcome back and thank you for coming back to watch my videos. Let's just get into it. The first thing first is to have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, then you can just create one. Go to gmail.com and create a new email. So you'll be logged on to your email address and then you come to this site where you are seeing Google Apps. Click on it and select YouTube. You click on this part. This part is showing D on my own profile. To show the first letter of your name, so just click on it and then you click on create a channel. Be asked to select a picture, it had a profile picture, and then you'll be asked to give your channel a name. This is the name I use to create the Gmail account, so you can just change it to whatever you want to. And for you to be able to get a name ideas, you can use your name. If you want to create a brand with your name, use the name you want to use. If you want to create a faceless channel, you can just choose a name according to that. Now, you may be stuck at choosing a niche. You may be wondering, what should I niche down on? You need to check yourself and ask yourself, what are the things that people ask you about? What is that thing exactly you are good at? Check what exactly you are good at. Ask for ideas. Check online. Just check online and see what resonates with or what goes in line with what you love and you love to do. Do not copy others. It is very risky because at some point you will get stuck. It has to do with something you love or you are passionate about. And then what you can create a lot of videos on. Which will require you to create a lot of videos. I am just telling you the truth. You can teach something. It could be AI tutorials on whatever you love doing. Like me, I love teaching. I started this channel as a millenary tutor, but I switched over time because I had a career switch. So I had to, switch. Though that is a story for another day. I'm just saying this just that you do what you love doing. I love teaching. So I decided to teach what I know, and whatever I know, I come here and teach. If you are funny, you can go into skit making, comedy, and all of that. And if you feel that you don't want to show your face, you are the shy type like me. I know when I say this out, nobody believes I am shy. I'm a shy person. No, even me, I don't know how I got to this point, but that is by the way. If you are shy, you don't want to show your face, you can do faceless YouTube. You can do faceless niches. You can teach whatever you know without showing your face. A quick one just to motivate or inspire someone. I've been thinking of something recently. If you'd like me to do a video on how much YouTube pay me for different views I have had on this channel, you just type any series in the comment section and I'll drop the videos back to back. It's just for you guys, just to inspire or motivate someone. And for you to get names suggestions, head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to suggest names for you. Using this prompt, you can say, I am starting a new YouTube channel. Can you suggest names for me? This is just a general question. So you can go further by saying, my YouTube channel will be on the making money niche and I want it faceless. So this will suggest to ChatGPT, let ChatGPT know that you want to create a faceless YouTube channel and within the making money niche. So when you do that, it will give you ideas. So when we come back here, you put the name under the name, just put the name you want to create. Then you select a picture. You can put your profile, your own personal picture, a very good professional looking picture, or you can just create, if you want to go faceless, you can use an avatar, you can use anything, just to make YouTube know that you are not a robot and you are not just appearing to be an unserious person. There are even several illustrations that will come up. Let's say I'm doing technology. Let me just go to technology and then pick one of these just for the purpose of this video. And then I click on done. So that way a profile picture has been selected and then you click on this button that says create channel. All right, after a few seconds, you can see that the channel has been created. And the next thing for us to do is to customize the channel. So you need to customize your channel before you start making videos. All right, there's something we call the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is just a part of YouTube where you'll be able to view what people cannot view about your channel. Here you can view your dashboard, you can view your analytics, you can view whatever is going on your channel. If you get a like, if you get a comment, this is where you edit details about your channel. It's called the YouTube Studio. It is available on the mobile app as an application in your Play Store or your app store, depending on the phone you're using. And it's also available on the desktop. When I clicked on customize channel, it directly brought me here. So you just click on continue. And then here you have the channel customization. This is where you can upload your channel banner. You know, we uploaded the profile picture earlier. You can as well change it at any time. Then this your name, you can as well change it anytime. The handle, you can change it. Maybe you can customize it to be something unique. Like for what we have here, we have at Dolapo. So if you go to www.youtube.com/Dolapo, it should bring you to this channel. This is the description box. This is where you tell your viewers about your channel. And whatever you put in here is what will appear in the about section of your channel. If anybody views your channel, they should see something like this. So more about this channel. When you click on this, there should be an about section here. So whatever you put in the description of your channel is what will appear in your about section. Now, you can write a description here. Just tell your viewers or YouTube what your channel is all about. So write your description, head over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT. Remember we said I'm starting a new channel. Can you suggest names for me? And when you click that, it will bring up some names for you, like I mentioned earlier. Can you see? So you can pick anyone. I'll say I'll be going with option 2. Kindly write the description of the channel for me. I'll be teaching people how to make money on the internet, and then you send. So ChatGPT will write your description for you professionally. You can decide to edit and put it to your taste. Now you can just go ahead and copy the description here. Go ahead and copy it right here. Let's copy this part. Copy and come over to your channel customization page and then you paste. Welcome to so you can edit, take off whatever you don't want to be there or you just leave it like that. Under here you add links to your social media platform, maybe your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok or other social media handles, your website if you do have. Over to the contact information part. Let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. So go ahead and put in your email address. The next thing we are seeing here is a video watermark. The video watermark means that whenever your video is playing, where we have these red lines, whatever you want to be showing as your watermark will be displayed here. So you can upload maybe your profile picture, your logo or whatever. You can just upload it right here. So anytime viewers see your video, when your video is playing, the picture or the image will show here. All right, so just follow the steps I say here, that an image should be 150 by 150 pixels. You can design all this using Canva. They're all pretty easy. For the banner, we just head over to Canva. Head over to canva.com. It's pretty easy. You just log into your account. If you are new to Canva, Canva is a tool that will help you design. You can design a lot of things, logo, you can design thumbnails, you can design your banner and all that. Everything you need for your business, you can design that using Canva. So what you just do is to come to this side where you have search for and type YouTube banner. So we have different banners that are here. Can you see different banners that have been created? Okay. So you can choose any one of these. Let's just go with this one. And then you can just customize this template. Now, still on the banner customization, I've edited the text I found here. There was a text there before. I just changed it to my channel name. And then I added the slogan, work smart, also smart, and online. You can add whatever you want to teach people, maybe or your number one fashion tutor or whatever, just put something that is related to whatever you're doing. To upload picture, you come over here, click on upload files to look for, then upload from your device. Click on the picture you want to upload, open, and then you upload. So let me just go with this one. I just pick my picture and drag it to this part, okay? Because already it's a template. So it's not like I'm starting from the beginning. So you can see that it is easy. I can just flip this horizontally to face this side just to make it look better. I mean my profile picture. Let me just flip it to this side exactly. Just customize it to your taste. I'll just go ahead and then export this. Click on share and we will download. Save in PNG for best quality and click on download. Now we have made a channel banner. We'll head over to our channel, upload the banner right here. So I'm choosing this. I click on open. So this is how it's going to be viewed on the TV, on desktop, and like that. And then we'll just click on done. All right, people, as you can see that the channel banner has been uploaded. You can see it's looking so nice. We have our profile picture as well. We have our channel description. Then we have our contact information. If you like, you can upload your watermark. Once you're satisfied with whatever you've done here, just go ahead and publish so that it will be updated. So whenever you're viewing your channel, whoever is viewing your channel will be able to see all these details. So when you click on view channel, you can see that we have a new channel banner. We have all that we did earlier has been updated. Look at our description. That's about the channel. And that is that for channel customization. To upload videos, all you need to do is to come over to this side where we have this create button. Just tap on the create button to upload your first video. Now, because we don't have any content on this channel, you will see that you will see a create content on this page. Once you already have new videos on your channel, you won't see this create button right here. So this is the right way to create or upload. To upload video, just click on the create button. When you click on the create button, it will say upload video. And you can see the option to as well go live. Like if I click on go live now, I'll be live to my audience. But you can upload a recorded video using the upload video button. So when I click on upload video, it takes me to my device to pick a video that I must have recorded and edited. All right, so it will take you to this page. Then you click on select files, and then it will ask you to pick a video you want to upload. So let's say I want to upload this video. I'm just going to click on any of my videos here. Let me just pick on this one. I click on open. Once you pick your video, you will notice here that it will start uploading and you will see the percentage it gets to at any point in time until it finishes uploading. And here you have the title. So while it is uploading, you can put the title, the description of your video. Then if you want it to be for kids, I usually do know in my own case. Then there are other things you can click on the show more. You select the category of your video and just go down and fill in the necessary details. And once it's done, you click on next like that till it goes live. But if you'd like me to do a detailed video on how you can upload properly on YouTube, especially as a small channel, let me know in the comment section. So, and that is that for uploading your videos. If you're serious about starting a YouTube business and you want my personal guidance, click on the link in the description box below this video to join my one-on-one mentorship program. I will walk you through everything from strategy to monetization, no matter your niche. Don't forget to drop in the comment section below this video any series if you would like to see what YouTube pays Nigerian creators like me. I hope you found this helpful. Do well to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you're here to, and I will see you in my next video.